If your arguments often end with slammed doors, there is a better way. When debates turn into drama, it can feel exhausting. You can win an argument without turning it into a battle. First, stay calm. Do not raise your voice, even if the other person is upset. Next, listen carefully. People feel more relaxed when they know you are listening. Use "I feel" instead of "you always." This makes your words sound less like an attack. Sharing your feelings helps the other person understand you. Before you reply, take a moment to pause. A short silence gives you time to think and respond calmly. Try to find common ground. The goal is not to be right, but to find a solution together. These simple steps can help you win arguments and keep your friendships strong. Try these tips, and your conversations will become much easier.